Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Vanguard for 1099. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Vanguard website URL and hit enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click the login button to proceed to your account dashboard. Once inside your account, look for the tab labeled My Profile. Click on My Profile to access your account settings. In the Profile section, find the option for Notifications. Click on Notifications to open the Notification Settings menu. You will see various notification options listed. Locate the option for 1099 Forms Notifications. Check the box next to 1099 Forms Notifications to enable them. Review your email preferences to ensure your email address is correct. Make any necessary changes to your email address if required. After confirming your email address, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button. You will receive a confirmation message that your settings have been updated. Your account is now set up to receive notifications for 1099 forms. Close the Settings menu to return to your dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.